You'll have love at first sight with the 2021 Acura TLX. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. A mid-size luxury sedan with attitude, the TLX delivers performance in style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, backup camera, premium sound system. Get some satisfaction. Drive the Acura TLX Performance Luxury Sedan today.